freaking stream. Today we are fixing up this little doodlebug. We'll be right back with the next steps. Whoopsie stream! Let's check out our progress we did on spray painting the mini bike. See, this one has a bigger hole and this one doesn't. Why does it have a bigger hole?
One's for the front and one's for the back.
Cool. And here's the frame. You could see that my dad also welded pegs on here so my friends can sit on the back and stand, well, like put their feet on it. This is the washers for the wheels that spreads them apart and like holds them. They kind of also look like pegs. And this is the chain guard where it covers the chain. So the chain just won't really be like getting rocks on it and getting it stuck. Here's the inside. I'll show you the wheel now. I'll show you the sprocket that I took off the wheel. It's really sharp, guys, so I'm holding it like this.
That's what the chain connects to, the wheel?
Yes, it connects to the sprocket. That's why there's the little bumps on it, so the little curved piece in it like sets in it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to watch the next video and please subscribe. and turn on notifications. Bye, guys.